Hi, this is Dr. Michael Craig with LogicalSoul.com. Welcome to the final lesson in the series, and this lesson has to do with your personal story. What is your personal story, and how does it affect everything that you do in life? And I remember as a kid, I wanted to be a superhero. Now, I don't know why. It was just one of those things where being a superhero was real important to me, and I wanted to grow up to be a superhero. And as I got older, I realized that that was not real practical. However, I clung to that idea. Eventually, I found out that I was very much not a superhero in many different ways. And as an adult, I realized that that superhero was really an archetype, that there was some part of me that knew that there was a superhero there, and there was an aspect of me that I could not deny. And so I'm beginning to live that superhero aspect. But like me, all of us have a superhero. All of us have a personal story, which involves essentially three archetypes. The superhero, which is those things that you know that you're capable of doing. In other words, that spiritual core, that dynamic core that we're each born into, or we develop it very quickly in life, and that really cannot be shut down. No matter how much training that we get or how much we're beaten back, there's always that seed form that is there, and that's the superhero. That's the part that knows life, knows how to blossom into life, knows how to bring out life and help other people and be powerful in the eyes of other people. The opposite of that would be the supervillain, or what I call the Judas, that which betrays the superhero, that which cuts him down or makes him weaker, brings him to kryptonite, tells him that, or just beats him up, essentially, takes away his power. And so each of us have a supervillain, or a Judas, that gives the superhero away. And these forces generally tend to fight each other back and forth. And then there's the third element, which I call the secret identity. And this is the secret identity like Clark Kent was to Superman. The secret identity is the one who shows up every day, wears the glasses, is kind of nerdy, bumping into things, doesn't know how to do things very well. Other people laugh at him. They seem weak, ineffective, not able to do things very well. This is what I call the secret identity, which, in fact, is not so very secret, and is, in fact, the one that most everybody sees on a daily basis. But we like to think deep inside that we have this superhero and supervillain constantly vying for power, whether or not those are the terms we use. And we also have the secret identity, i.e. this mask we wear to work every day, and everything that we do that people see is that part of our secret identity that is keeping our dynamism hidden, the superhero, which we're actually wanting to protect all the time. For whatever reason, I don't know, it doesn't make them very super, I suppose. So part of this process of your personal story is to uncover that superhero, let that superhero come out a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, and begin to lessen the effect of the supervillain or the Judas and the secret identity. Get out from under that, let your superhero shine. So the personal story is, in essence, the sum total of all the decisions we've made in our lives that lead us to here. And so if we spend a life cutting down our superhero, cutting down our ability to do things and achieve things all our lives, we're going to reach the point right now to where that's what the reality is, and we have exactly the result based on the decisions we've made throughout this process.